The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everyone. Wanted to start with the outlook for Thursday. You are reading that correctly. Storm outlook. We are under a level 1 marginal risk for severe weather for our 4th of July. Could see some localized wind damage and possibly some hail because of some isolated to scattered showers and storms that enter the region on our Thursday. There you see it highlighted in green. Those parts of the NRV and south side are not highlighted in this risk. I do think some of you guys will also see some of these storms. Something to note really quick, Wednesday, we're going to be mostly in the clear. It's going to be mostly sunny and partly cloudy for tomorrow. Temperature is going to heat up as well. But future trackers showing that this line of storm starts to get going in West Virginia, then diving to the south and east through the morning hours, sort of dissipating right around the 10 a.m. hour, but bringing some light showers to the Roanoke Valley and out towards the east. Then once we get to the afternoon, that southerly flow starts to kick in along with that heat and the increase in humidity. So then we start to see some pop-up showers developing. Some of these could be really strong in nature. You see areas of red near Patrick in Henry County, and then over near Danville, you see that deep pocket of pink and purple. So some heavy storms and some intense storms certainly possible on our 4th of July. But something I want to note here is look at the timestamp, 8 p.m. This is right around when fireworks will start to get going. The NRV, this particular model shows that will be mostly dry by 8 p.m. Same goes for the Highlands, and then some lingering showers for parts of the Roanoke Valley through about 9 o'clock or so. By 10, the majority of us are all dry. So hopefully that model run continues to be consistent with that, and so hopefully we'll be good to go for fireworks on our Thursday evening. Temperatures across the region, 79 for Pulaski, 82 for the Hill City, 84 for Danville, 82 South Boston. Floyd currently at 75 degrees. First thing we wake up tomorrow morning with, really cool temperatures out in the NRV and Highlands, upper 50s, anywhere from 57 to 59. Everywhere else about 61 to 62 degrees. And then tomorrow afternoon, 88 to 93. So going to be turning up the thermostat about 5 to 10 degrees across the board. That's going to be the theme over the next couple of days, as Thursday we get to 96 here in the Roanoke Valley, then 97 on our Friday before cooling down a little bit for this weekend. Let's talk tropical. Beryl is moving into the Western Caribbean. It will impact parts of Jamaica, Hispaniola, Cuba, you name it, even the Cayman Islands. Here's the latest advisory that came out at 5 p.m. The next one will come out in a couple of hours, but the new track will also come out at 10 p.m. The main theme here is that it's been downgraded to a Category 4 storm, but still very, very intense. It's undergoing an eye wall replacement cycle, which means it's going to weaken just a little bit over the next 12 hours or so until that new eye becomes more concentric. Now, here's a look at some of the models. A lot of them take it right over the Yucatan Peninsula, but we'll get a better basis of what's going on because the hurricane hunters are currently in there dropping drop sondes all across the storm. They've been out there since about 1 p.m. this afternoon, so still lots of time left to fly through this storm. Going to be bringing us data that we can then plug into some of those computer models to get a better idea of where Hurricane Beryl will be going in the next couple of days. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 4th of July, 40% chance of rain. Temperatures in the 90s all of the next 7 days.